Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Steam Community Market not loading using the easy method. This is a great way to repair your broken store pages on your current setup session so you can trade your game items safely on your machine. Step 1. Open your Master Settings panel from the top menu bar. The first step is to open your main application window on your desktop screen and head straight into your central configuration room. Move your mouse pointer up to the very top left corner of your screen workspace, click once on the main word Steam, look down the choice list to find the button labeled Settings, and click on it. Watch for the main options panel to slide open right in the middle of your monitor view, displaying all your setup categories. Because you need to reach your main internet configuration layout before your software can unblock your trading pages. Opening this central panel gives you a clear look at your overall system rules. Without this step, your software will keep running its stuck display routines, keeping your store sheets hidden behind a blank screen canvas row. Step 2. Wipe out your internal web browser data storage. Next, you need to head over to your Interface Preference tab and use the built-in Cleaner button to throw away the accumulated internet garbage files that are clogging up your store view. Move your cursor to the left side menu bar inside the Settings panel, click on the row that says In-Game, look at the middle area of your screen canvas rows, locate the button that says Delete Web Browser Data, and click it once. Click the OK button when the confirmation box asks if you want to clear your local internet history data on your screen canvas rows, and wait 2 seconds for the task to finish. Because the Community Marketplace is actually a giant web page running inside your main application panel. As you browse items, your computer piles up old web photos, cookies, and temporary tracking data pieces inside its memory card. When this file pile that's corrupted or mixed up, the display panel completely locks up and refuses to pull fresh data from the internet. Sweeping this box clean forces the program engine to build a brand new, clean web window from scratch. Step 3. Clear out your main download cache container. Now you need to hop down to your main File Delivery Settings tab to force your application to reset its network connection pipes completely. Look back at your left side menu bar, click on the row that says Downloads, scroll down to the bottom of the options list, find the large button labeled Clear Download Cache, and click it with your mouse. Click OK on the confirmation pop-up box flat against your background view and wait for your software application to restart automatically. Because your download stream and your store browsing line share the same communication lane inside the computer folders. If a background download gets stuck or leaves broken data pieces behind, it plugs up the whole network line, causing the community store to display an error or load infinitely. Wiping this cache box clean acts like resetting a water pipe, clearing the connection path instantly so your pages can flow onto your monitor smoothly. And that's it. To fix Steam Community Market not loading, you must first click Steam at the top left and open your settings panel on your screen. Then you move your mouse to the In-Game row and click Delete Web Browser Data to wipe out your temporary internet history on your screen canvas rows. Next, you go to the Downloads tab and click Clear Download Cache to wipe out your broken connection files and restart your app. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.